One of the things I like to do is to take these fruit containers, you know, that I think this one had kiwis in it. They're perfect for seed starting in the greenhouse. So I take these, fill them with my moistened potting soil, and start my seeds in there. So, hard to do with one hand here. And my little buddies back here. Just hold it down with this. So in this one, I'm gonna start my cilantro seeds from my seed stash. So it looked like my video cut out. But I just sprinkled the cilantro seeds over the surface and just roughed up the soil, sprinkled a little more soil over the top, and watered it in with my spray bottle. And that is all you do. So in no time, the cilantro will be sprouted up, and I kind of think of this as my way of doing microgreens. I'll just come in with the scissors and just clip right off the top of them and throw them in salads or whatever I'm cooking. And you'll have some regrowth. I don't know if it's regrowth or if it's just other seeds popping up, but they kind of keep going for a while. So I've been doing this with cilantro and what else? Now I can't remember, but I've been doing it with a few things, but I'll keep that in the greenhouse. And just make sure, you know, with these and with the other seeds that I started over there yesterday, you know, obviously you need to go in and spray them with the spray bottle to keep the soil moist. And then once they're up and going, you'll need to take all those humidity dome lids off and take this lid off here, because they'll want, you know, sunlight and air and all that. So hope you find that helpful. Okay, Harry, I put your little bed right there. Are you gonna stay there and leave me alone? Let me do my work? Huh?